Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 20. We are almost there, guys. Appreciate you hanging out with me for Cookmas this whole time. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and contribute to the Taco Tuesday trend. We're going to go ahead and whip up some easy Crescent Churros. So these are going to be Crescent Churros because we're going to use the Crescent roll dough, which is so versatile in so many ways. I definitely recommend you keep one of those cans in your refrigerators at all times. But today we're going to go ahead and just make a simple treat that is similar to a churro if you're ever in need of that tasty treat. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here is a quick and easy recipe if you are in need of a churro fix and don't quite have what you need to make some authentic churros. Go ahead and grab this. It'll give you that same effect. With the cinnamon and the sugar and the dough, it is very, very good. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know how your holidays are going. Share this video out. Always appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of whenever I drop a new video. You guys take care and happy holidays. Bye guys.